How to download Windows 10 in 2025. Search from a search window down there. Here, Microsoft. Let me show you something. If you go here and down here, you will see what you're gonna download. You're gonna download this page. See, that's not what we want. I want to show you how to download it. We're gonna go back here, the three tab, more tool, and developer tools. We wanna select here, refresh the page. We're gonna go down, gonna select Windows 10, confirm, and we're gonna select language, English, confirm, and download. Here, it may take uh, between 2 or 1 minute. So in that case, say 1 minute. I'm gonna File Explorer. I'm gonna go to down there folder. So down in folder over here now. And here you have it.